guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well on Stock Lock Sunday. Got an interesting little padlock here today, but before I go ahead with that, back in video 447 I did a special edition video on a 30-plus-year-old vintage padlock that I had got off a friend. Anyway, I did a pick and dissect, and it was a Bell made in Hong Kong layered type padlock. And sure enough, after digging around, I have one brand new old stock. This has got to be close to 40 years old, new in the box. I haven't even taken it out of the box. And the one I did was 40 millimeter, and this is the little brother, 30 millimeter. So I want to preserve the box on this one, so there we go, brand new in the box. There it is. So they call it layered type as opposed to laminated. It's interesting here now is that this one here is marked China. The other one was marked Hong Kong. So that's interesting. Hey, look how wide that keyway is. So anyways, that's what I have today. Let's see if I can get into it. A little tension on it. And we'll go inside and see what we can do. What do we got here? Let's try this here. So, okay, it's a 4-pinner. Wow, that didn't take long. There it is. What's interesting is that, take a look at the, we got that open, guys. And take a look at the locking pole. Non-shimmable. Very interesting. Let's try that again one more time. That locked up. It's a 4-pinner. Let's go in there again. Go with pin 4. 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, there it is. Beautiful lock. It's going right back in the box, guys. I just wanted to feature it today because of the fact that I had found this coincidentally after getting the 40 millimeter from my friend and decided to pick it and dissect it. Let's have a look at take a look at that. Isn't that interesting? See if I can get you guys a better view of that. Not a bad looking key for a 4-pinner. That's awesome. So that's all I have for you guys today on Stock Lock Sunday, guys. It's the vintage Bell 203 laminated, or as they called it back then, layered padlock for you guys today. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see the other video, it's video 447 where I did a pick and full dissection of one of these, the bigger brother. Thanks for your support, guys. Patience, practice, perseverance. We'll see you at the next one. Stay well.